gurgled and scooted near, hoping another would soon appear. A baby fish flopped with a tiny hop, then plopped back down with a happy blop. Tuni waved and called out loud, "You're so shiny, I'm so proud!" Splash, 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 the fish say hello. They jump from the water and put on a show. Tuni claps and gives a cheer. Fishy friends are jumping near. Splash, 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 let's count and play by the pond on a sunny day. The sun peeked down through clouds so light, making the water sparkle bright. Tuni leaned close and saw a fin, swishing slowly with a playful grin. The rocks were smooth, the waves rolled on. The fish kept playing all day long. Even the frogs gave happy croaks, while fish jumped high in sparkling strokes. Splash, splash,